What's up? That should be my greeting to all of you from now on. This is going to be an awesome series about awesome stuff, such as awesome sauce, awesome cats, and awesome coffee shop massacres. There are just so many awesome things I want to do, but I can't keep them all in my mind, so I just write them down on my awesome list of things to do. This is basically what this whole series is about. So, here is my list. I will be adding more things to my list as this awesome series hopefully moves along. Let me know what you want me to do on this awesome list of things to do. While you do that, I shall introduce myself. My name, as you all know, is Batman. If you did not know that, you are not awesome. Nah, I'm just kidding. All of you are awesome no matter what happens. But if you want to be even more awesome, just subscribe and comment on my series. Trust me, it will change your life. If I ever say that you are not awesome, you should know that I'm just joking around, even if I say that I'm serious about it. But if I said I was serious, I would be lying. But I shouldn't lie because it's bad for my pale skin. My skin is pale because I only save the world outside at nighttime. During the daytime, I just screw around in my awesome bat cave, listening to awesome bat music and munching on awesome chips dipped in awesome sauce, which I shall make if you just tell me in the comments section of this video. Speaking of video, if you subscribe and tell me that you did, I shall subscribe back and write a comment in one of your videos saying, "You are awesome." One last thing, whoever writes the first comment in each of these awesome Batman videos shall be mentioned in my awesome future videos. I just love overusing the word awesome. Doesn't this make you feel like watching my awesome new movie, even though it won't be out until like 2017? Isn't it a shame to have to wait so long to watch such an awesome movie? You can just watch my awesome new series until the movie comes out, or you can just continue watching the series after the movie comes out. I highly recommend that you do that. Alright, that is all I have to say for this video. Subscribe, check back for more awesome videos, and stay awesome. Oh, and also, check out all of those other videos that the creator of these videos made. That is all. Batman out.